Hi my eaters, Judy here from justtoday.com and welcome back to the channel. You know, June is a special month for my sister and me, and it's our birthday month. And what better way to kick off the celebration than with some SweetGreen together? We head over to the SweetGreen and Sephora at the Promenade at Westlake that has a mix of stylish boutiques and popular global brands and the latest trend in fashion, beauty, home goods, and more. Anyway, let me tell you, we were on a mission. Pick up our free gifts at Sephora. That's what we like to do every year together. And absolutely had to try SweetGreen's brand new Korean barbecue collaboration with Cote, the Korean Steakhouse. While my sister was visiting from Hawaii, tried their harvest bowl with Siete's green goddess ranch potato chips with SweetGreen teas. Curious about what makes SweetGreen's new Korean barbecue collaboration with Michelin-starred Cote Korean barbecue steakhouse so special? Let me break it down for you, okay? This isn't just any bowl or plate. It's carefully crafted flavor experience, okay? It's all about the flavor here because I'm chasing the flavor all the time. The star of the show is the tender grass-fed Cote Korean barbecue steak, generously coated in a savory sweet Korean barbecue glaze. But it doesn't stop there. You get a vibrant, slightly sweet and tangy apple kimchi sauce that adds a fantastic, questionable kick. For that essential fresh crunch, there's delightful cucumber kimchi. It's coming from the chef, Skim. Anyway, a unique take on cucumber kimchi and bright zesty pickled cabbage. Depending on whether you choose the bowl, plate, or salad. You'll also find fantastic classic SweetGreen elements like crisp romaine, fluffy white rice, because rice is life, even spicy roasted broccoli. Yep, broccoli. I said broccoli. There's plenty of broccoli here. You gotta eat your greens, okay? That's why it's called SweetGreen. It's a perfect blend of fresh, wholesome ingredients with the bold, authentic flavors of Korean barbecue. Inspired and the ultimate collaboration with Cote, a Michelin-starred Korean steakhouse. Seriously, this bowl is a game changer. It's packed with mouth-watering Korean barbecue steak and rich Korean barbecue glaze. And this apple kimchi sauce. Plus, it's got refreshing cucumber kimchi and tangy pickled cabbage. Every single bite was an explosion of flavor for sure, okay? Savory, a little sweet, and that perfect tangy kick. You would be surprised. I have made my own cucumber kimchi at home, so check out that recipe video after this one if you're curious to see how you can make your own cucumber kimchi at home. But anyway, I have tried all kinds of kimchi. I'm telling you the truth right now, okay? I'm being real. From all kinds of brands, because yeah, for my Instagram people, I think you know I've tried different brands. Anyway, and here I'm gonna be really be real with you right now. You ready? Because I'm used to kimchi being sour and salty, or sour salty. You know what I mean? But this kimchi right here at SweetGreen was a little sweet. I'm gonna tell you right now, it's sweet. Okay, it gave me a little shock. Their kimchi is a little more sweeter than I'm used to, because the kimchi that I'm used to, Asian kimchi, is more like spicy and vinegary and salty, when their kimchi is very sweet. Or this bowl to me is kimchi, but sweeter than normal kimchi. Yeah. Just a side note for those that eat kimchi all the time. Yeah. At first, when I had my first bite, and then a couple more because of how sweet it was when I'm used to like salty and sour. And I'm sure this was a little sweet from the apple kimchi sauce. Absolutely, you gotta give it a try. If you think this apple kimchi sauce is a little sweet or not, you just have to give it a try to let me know. Leave a comment down below if you tried this bowl already. But anywho, it was such a fun way to catch up with my sis and to celebrate our birthday month and try their Korean barbecue bowl. Absolutely must try. Go check it out at SweetGreen at your local area. When it comes to trying SweetGreen, convenience is definitely part of the package. Did you know there are currently over 240 SweetGreen locations across 22 US states? So there's no excuse for you not to give this a try, okay? There's a lot of opportunities to get your green on. You gotta have your green somehow. So, comes to ordering, it's incredibly easy. Whether you're at home, at work, or to go, on the go, you can seamlessly place your order through their user-friendly website, for reals, or their highly convenient SweetGreen mobile app. The app truly is a game changer. You can customize your favorite bowls or create some entirely new ones because you're a picky eater or whatever. You save your go-to orders for quick reordering, or even skip the lines because sometimes they have a huge line, okay? By ordering ahead for in-restaurant pickup. Yep. Plus, for delivery, you can track your order in real time, giving you a peace of mind to let you know where your food is at. It's all designed to make getting fresh, healthy food as effortless as possible because y'all, you need to get your greens on, okay? So if you're looking for a quick and easy way to enjoy SweetGreen's brand new Korean barbecue collaboration with Michelin-starred Cote Korean Steakhouse, delicious salad bowls, the website or the mobile app are definitely the way to go. And did I mention it's definitely affordable? This is my way to get any kind of Michelin star. You feel me? Anywho, what else did we do at the Promenade at Westlake? Because, we're sisters and hanging out. We walked by Marmalade Cafe. Check out that vlog if you're curious to see how and what Marmalade Cafe offers, because that's a nice cafe too. We had to check out the Cost Plus in the shopping center to check out, since they are the mecca of having popular global brands inside Cost Plus, as in like some of these cookbooks. Did you know Snoop Dogg has a cookbook? Anyway, it's always fun to see what's new and what's happening in world marketplace. And if you like this video and liking this vlog, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you get notified when we upload, so you don't miss our next adventure. Until next time, I think you know what to do, right? There we go.
Real quick, are you enjoying this video? If so, hit the subscribe button and the bell to be notified about all our future videos. Also, hit the like button and comment 8 down below to share with your friends and family.
And remember, friends, expand your mind, explore your palate, and let's keep chasing the flavor, my haters. See you in the next video. Check out this video right here.